Hey guys, I hope a nice time. Today I will look into this watch from Wrogn. It's a Timex watch. So let us see. This comes in this box. Nice box. So these are the details. As you can see, the style number or the model number is WRG00066B. MRP is showing me 2374 Indian rupees. The case size, as you can see, is 43.17 millimeters. The strap size is 22 millimeters. And this is all. Now let us move into the box. So you see the watch first. Now let us remove it. Now let us look inside what we have. Nothing else. So you have some manual instructions, how to function it and all. We will not go into it. Thank you. A thank you card. Congratulations on being a proud owner of this Wrogn watch. Nice touch. This is I think the warranty card. There's nothing. No seal, no nothing. And these are the details of what the warranty covers or not. Put it back. So we are basically more interested in the watch. Let us look at it. So first let us look at the dial. Let us remove the protective cover first. So as you can see, it is a fluorescent green dial. No loom, no nothing, no day and date. Very simple three-hander watch. Only the numerals which you have is 12 and 6 and all are buttons. And the logo you can see of the company just below the 12 o'clock. And the second hand is somehow just missing the marks. Yes. Now moving on to the case. As you know, it is a 43.17 millimeters in diameter. I don't know where they are taking from because it's a very weird shape. It's a bit heavy. Now moving on to the strap, it is 22 millimeters. And I think it's made out of silicone. Nothing else is printed on it. Very simple and basic. Even on buckle you don't have anything. What is this? Let's see. Oh, this is the tag which you have. Now moving on to the case back. It's again you have the symbol of Wrogn, the model number, water resistant, stainless steel back. And it is screwed down. As you can see, you have to use a screwdriver to open it to access inside the movement to change the battery or the movement itself. And the movement basically is the simple quartz. I think it's from Miyota. No day and date. It is operated by this crown. So you just put, as you know now, the second hand stop. Now you just change the time and just put it back and you can see that it starts running. Yeah. So guys, this was the very simple unboxing and a review on this watch. Very simple. I'm not into these kind of watches. Basically, I like the one which have day and date. It don't have anything. These are for those which like the very simplicity in the watch, and it's a very nice, robust and heavy watch, and also has a very sharp dial. As you can see, goes very well. It's very thin also. So what I paid was around 350 Indian rupees. I bought it from Flipkart. If anyone is interested, please go there and check. Thank you so much, guys. See you in the next video.